Hello guys. Today, we are going to cover 5 best phone tripods in the market, which are the best for you considering some valid reasons that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is UBeesize 10-inch Selfie Ring Light with 50-inch Extendable Tripod Stand. The UBeesize 10-inch Selfie Ring Light with 50-inch Extendable Tripod Stand and amp phone holder is the perfect lighting solution for any job. This ring light has 3 color modes, white, warm yellow, and warm white, and 11 levels of brightness, so you can get the perfect lighting for any situation. The light is also dimmable and has a memory function that remembers the last setting used for quick setup. The light has 2 phone holders, vertical and horizontal, which can fit most smartphones and is perfect for live streaming, making videos, or taking selfies. The included 50-inch extendable tripod stand allows you to adjust the height and angle with ease, so you can get the perfect shot every time. With this kit, you'll always be ready to get the perfect lighting for any occasion. Pros: 10-inch adjustable light for perfect illumination. A 50-inch extendable tripod stands for stability. Phone holder for convenient use. Ideal for live streaming, makeup, and YouTube videos. Easy to adjust and transport. Cons: not suitable for use with large cameras. May not be compatible with all phone models. Number 2. Our second best pick is Atumtek 51-inch Selfie Stick Tripod. The Atumtek 51-inch Selfie Stick Tripod is the perfect companion for anyone who loves taking selfies and recording videos. This all-in-one extendable phone tripod stand is designed to help you capture the perfect moment from any angle. The adjustable stainless steel legs and durable aluminum body provide superior stability and flexibility for a wide range of shooting angles, making it perfect for both photos and videos. The Bluetooth remote allows you to control the tripod from up to 10 meters away, giving you the freedom to move around and capture the perfect shot. The 360 degrees rotation allows you to get the right angle for any shot. The tripod is compatible with most smartphones, making it an ideal choice for selfies, video recording, vlogging, and live streaming. Whether you're a professional photographer or an amateur, this tripod is a must-have for capturing beautiful moments. Pros: all-in-one extendable phone tripod stand with Bluetooth remote. 360 degrees rotation for iPhone and Android phone selfies, video recording, vlogging, and live streaming. 51-inch length for extended reach. Lightweight and portable. Cons: may be too long for some users. Bluetooth remotes may be difficult to use. Number 3. Our third best pick is Square Jellyfish Jelly Grip WXL Phone Tripod. The Square Jellyfish Jelly Grip WXL Phone Tripod mount with Pro Tripod Stand is the perfect tool for capturing clear, steady photos and videos with your smartphone. This compact, lightweight mount and tripod is compatible with all iPhone and Android smartphones, making it ideal for anyone looking to take professional quality photos and videos with their phone. The mount rotates 360 degrees and swivels 90 degrees, so you can easily shoot from any angle. The Jelly Grip has a special non-slip grip technology to keep your phone securely in place, so you can take pictures or videos without worrying about the phone slipping or falling. The tripod is adjustable and can extend up to 17 inches, so you can get the perfect shot every time. The tripod also folds up for easy storage and travel, making this the ideal accessory for any photographer or videographer. Pros: compatible with all iPhones and Android smartphones. Small, portable design for easy travel. Jelly Grip WXL Phone Tripod mount with Pro Tripod Stand provides a stable base for videos. Handheld design for flexible use in a variety of settings. Easy to assemble and install. Cons: relatively expensive compared to other cell phone tripods. Not suitable for larger phones or heavier devices. Can be tricky to mount small phones securely. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Kenu Stance Mini Tripod Stand. The Kenu Stance Mini Tripod Stand is the perfect pocket-sized companion for your iPhones. Whether you're out and about or just want a handy accessory for your desk, this stand is perfect for all your phone needs. Its compact size easily fits into any pocket, and the built-in bottle opener adds convenience and style. The adjustable legs allow you to get just the right angle for taking the perfect picture or watching movies and videos. With its strong, durable construction and secure, non-slip grip, this mini tripod stand will keep your phone safe and secure. And with its carrying accessory, you can take it with you wherever you go. With the Kenu Stance Mini Tripod Stand, you can take your phone with you and stay connected no matter where life takes you. Pros: compact and portable design. Fits latest iPhones. Doubles as a bottle opener. Carrying accessory. Can be used as a phone stand for a desk. Cons: may be difficult to use with larger phones. Not compatible with all phone models. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Grip-Tight GorillaPod Stand Pro Premium Clamping Mount and Tripod. The Grip-Tight GorillaPod Stand Pro is a revolutionary clamping mount and tripod designed to make filming with your smartphone easier and more efficient. This premium clamping mount and tripod is compatible with all smartphones from the iPhone SE to the iPhone 8 Plus, Google Pixel, Samsung Galaxy S8 and more. The unique design of the Grip-Tight GorillaPod Stand Pro allows you to quickly and easily attach your phone to any flat surface and adjust it to the best angle for your shot. The innovative clamping mechanism ensures a secure grip on your device, while the flexible legs allow you to bend and twist the tripod into almost any shape. It's the perfect way to get professional-looking results even when you're on the go. The Grip-Tight GorillaPod Stand Pro is lightweight, durable and comes with a convenient carrying case, making it the perfect companion for any adventure. Pros: universal smartphone compatibility for most phone models. Secure clamping mount allows for a strong and secure grip. Durable and lightweight construction. Flexible tripod legs enable it to be mounted on any surface. Cons: higher cost than some other smartphone stands. Limited compatibility with larger phones. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback. Have a great day.